Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You sign in and open a new ChatGPT session that supports Dalle-3. First, state your intent clearly, what you need, format, and one primary constraint. Once done, provide 2-3 reference images and a compact style brief so the model has anchors. Make sure you name the focal subject, preferred perspective, and any colors to avoid guesswork. This immediate context speeds up accurate generations and reduces wasted iterations as you move to prompt crafting. You now build a prompt with clear sections. Subject, action, environment, and mood include composition and camera cues. For example, add focal length, lighting direction, and color accents to guide Dalle-3's visual decisions. Once you see outputs, iterate. Request 3 variations, tweak adjectives, or add negative prompts to remove unwanted elements. Make sure to compare thumbnails and ask for higher resolution re-renders of the strong. You choose the strongest render and request final edits like upscaling, inpainting, or color correction. Once satisfied, export the image in the required format and double-check any usage or licensing details. If results are off, here's a key troubleshooting tip. Simplify one variable at a time, swap the reference image, remove a color directive, or shorten the prompt. This isolates the issue and helps you converge quickly on the intended visual outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.